3-step shake, formulating food products. Alright, food innovators. My name is Felicia Liu and I work with food businesses. Let's jump right into it, your 1-minute crash course on formulating incredible food products. 1. Blend trends with tradition. From vegan delights to gluten-free goodies, marry novel food trends with traditional recipes. But remember, flavor is king. 2. Nutritional profile. Understanding the nutritional profile of your product is a must. Balance taste and health, it's a tough seesaw, but we've got to walk that line. 3. Quality and consistency. Make sure the quality of your product remains consistent, batch after batch. It's crucial as you scale up. Remember to save this video for references.